Hello guys, how is it going? I want to welcome you guys to the second part of this filter list project with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And today we're going to be working on styling. The first video was all about HTML markup, but today is going to be the CSS styling. So without much ado, let's start. We're going to be adding style to this stuff. We'll explain more about what the project's about on the first video. Okay, before we start guys, please if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do so. Like the video and drop off comment for me on the comment section. And if there are many ways you think I can improve the video, just let me know. And I hope that you get inspiration from the project that will help you in any work you're doing or improve your styling. Without much ado, let's start coding. I'm gonna be selecting everything. I'm gonna be selecting everything and be making the pagin. Sorry, pardon. How would I say pardon? The padding and their margin to be 0. Okay, I'm gonna make it a box size and a border box. Okay, I'm gonna make the HTML and body to be. I don't know why I have to repeat this here, but let me just be consistent with what I did in my first the first project. Background color is gonna be white. The color is gonna be black. Then the font family is gonna be Sego, UI Tehoma Geneva V, Vedana, sans serif, and the rest of them. Then the main container, that's the overall holding container is gonna be width. Just wanna use 100% here. Then the main container and the header div, I'm gonna make the width to be 100%. Then the background color, that should come first. Background color black. And then the height is gonna be auto, so that's because I want the content, the children of the header, I want them to decide the height of their parent. I'm gonna make the display to be flex. And I'm gonna make the flex direction to be row, and justify content to be space between. So let the children share the space of their parent. I'm gonna align items. So head is gonna align each item to be center. So let's see what we got here. Well, it's not looking bad. Not looking bad at all. Alright. Let's proceed. I'm gonna give it a padding. I don't want those items or those content to be at the extreme. 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Actually, can actually make it padding 10 pixel, and that will still serve the same purpose instead of 10 pixel. But that's just what I used in the first project, and I just want to maintain a consistency here in case if stuff start to break. Let me know where to tackle them from. Okay, the header, the title, which is gonna hold our website name, our application name, the text. I'm gonna give it a color of, I don't even know what to call this in a plain English, but right here we'll call it FFCC29. Yeah, this kind of orange color. Then the font size is gonna be 20 pixel. The font weight is gonna be bold. I want it to be bold. And font family, yeah, I'm gonna use a font family called Dosis. It's mostly because I like the way it looks. You can actually go and get it online if you want to use it, or you can use the one in your local machine. It's not a big deal. Okay, I think we're done with that one. let's see what we got anyway. Yeah, here it is. Not bad. Okay, the next one is gonna be our navbar. Gonna make it margin left. And that this stuff I do here, where I say ML, where I type ML and it brings out it's actually a VS Code shortcut. If you learn to use it, it's gonna make your work a little bit faster, especially when you're doing repetitive stuff like CSS. All right, let's proceed. The next one's gonna be the stuff within the navbar. That would be the UL within the navbar. We're gonna make it display to the flex. Let's say D:F. Yeah, display flex, it comes out. And then flex direction, FD. Can even do :N. It brings up, oh, that gave me font. Okay, I'll just take it from here, flex direction. No, that doesn't make any sense. It can't be none, it has got to be row. Yeah, like this. Then JC, justify content. I'll say center AI, align items. Center, you get the idea. Wow. Okay, giving us what we want so far. Now we're gonna go to the main container, header, navbar, UL, li. Way style is gonna be none. But though actually the CSS here, the styling here is not actually the main purpose of the project. I just feel like some people might want to follow along with the styling. They can actually pick one or two things to strengthen the CSS skills. That's why I put it, but it's not actually the main purpose. So some of the stuff you're gonna see here, there are many ways you can change it, better ways you can use it. You can go ahead and do that. Alright, the next one is gonna be the anchor tag. Yeah, so main container, header, navbar, UL, li, and the anchor tag within them. So I'm gonna make the color to be this beautiful orange color here. Then the font size is gonna be 20 pixel, and the font family is gonna be doses. Text decoration, no thanks, we don't want decoration, so it's gonna set that to none. The padding is gonna be, oh boy, the padding is gonna be 0 pixel, top and bottom, 5 pixel, left and right. Yeah, let's see what we got. It's not looking bad at all. It's not looking bad. Okay. Main container. I think we should start copying some of this stuff. Becoming very repetitive. UL, the list, the anchor tag, then the on hover action. We want the color to be this strange combination, D1, 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 C5. Let's just check it out quickly. Alright, it works. The next one is gonna be the auth class div, or the auth div. Let me copy this stuff. Basically the same thing. Paste it here. Say auth, class of auth. We short for authentication. Display is gonna be. Let me just see if we can. Okay, display is gonna be flex. Flex direction is gonna be row. Justify content It's gonna be center, I think. Yeah. We're gonna align the items in the items. It's gonna be aligned to center. Let's see what we got. So far. Okay. Let's move on to the child of earth, which is the link. I think I'll just copy all this stuff from here. I'm gonna do that by holding the copy and paste at the same time. I'm gonna do that by holding the alternate and the shift key, pressing the down arrow. Let's remove this extra space. So I will think they're almost the same thing. So let me just go here and put the link. Okay, I'm gonna make the height to be auto. Okay, display flex, flex direction row, justify content center, align items center. Yeah, that's more like it. I'm still gonna duplicate this for the sake of its selectors. They're just the same thing, almost. So we're targeting the UL within the link, and it's LI straight away. And we're going to be setting the height to 100%. And we're going to set the list style to none. We don't want any listing style. Let's see what we got. Okay, still looking hideous. So let's copy this down. And then we're going to deal with the anchor tag within the LI, within the list. Gonna say height 100%. Okay, gonna give it a color of white, no, some kind of gray, lighter gray. Yeah, F1. Okay, the list style we don't need it for this one. It's text decoration that we need here to be none. Is the LI that's got list style. Okay, TD text decoration none. Just delete this one. Okay, after that, we're going to set the font family to be doses. Well, just like I said earlier, you can actually put a selector, some CSS selectors in HTML that's going to allow you to use your CSS and make everything that is got everything that's supposed to have the font family of doses to have one CSS class. But I didn't think of that when I was just starting the project though. The font size is gonna be 20 pixels, I think. Not 20 box. Just pixel. Okay, and the padding, top and bottom is gonna be 0 pixel, not box, pixel, and then 5 pixel left and right. Okay, not looking bad. The next one is gonna be. Am I not omitting something here? God, I do not understand why. Okay, off link UL. So what we got? Perfect. Okay. Next up, let's just copy this hour. Let's just take everything, sure. And then come here, we're gonna gut out the content. I think that's the right phrase to use right now. Got out the content. Okay, we're gonna add a hover effect here. So when on hover, I want to just change the color to, we got here, color to D1, just like the previous one. Sorry. Yeah, here it is. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we're done with that. The next one is gonna be within the alt. Let me even copy this, or rather, let me copy from here since we're gonna be having a little bit of repetition there. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, within the alt, we're gonna have the cat image. Okay, the cat image is gonna have a display of flex. and it's gonna have a justify content of what space between, and the items are gonna be aligned to center, not start. Okay, not bad so far, so good. Okay, next we're gonna have our dot cat image dot counter. Cat counter. Hope I spelled this thing correctly. Position is gonna be relative. Let's see what we got. No changes here, no problem. Then I think I'm gonna have to copy the whole of this. Let's remove this extra space. Okay, within the cat counter, we're gonna have a cat counter cat image dot. Sorry, not cat image container. And we're gonna make the width to be let's say 30 pixel. We're gonna make the height to be same 30 pixel. Let's see what we got. Okay, to not reflect here, it's gonna be the image. Okay, let's clone. Sorry, let's duplicate the stuff here. All right. We're dealing with the image now. The image tag. Just gonna make it 100% here. Then within this place, 100% here. And let's see what we got. Okay, still not showing that much. Think. Okay, yeah, it worked. So the next one is gonna be we're gonna deal with the cat, the counter. That's that text, the 0 you see there. Since they're a bit similar, so let me just copy this. Counter, we're gonna have a position of absolute, and top is gonna be -5 pixel. Left is gonna be -5 pixel. Background color is gonna be this color. Let's see what we got here. Whoa. Okay, let's keep going. Color is gonna be black. Text decoration is gonna be none. Width 20 pixel. Height 20 pixel. Font size is gonna be 15 pixel. Text align, it's gonna be center. Border radius of 50 pixel. All right, let's see what we got here. Whoa. What are we getting here? This is not being consistent with what I got on the other side. Position is absolute, isn't it? Well, let's just work on, let's see if we can just wrap off the other ones and see where we broke something. It's going to be the anchor tag. Color is going to be black. Text decoration none. Font weight. Font weight 600. That's semi-bold. Width 100. Height 100. Font size 15 pixel. Text align. Center. Let's see what we got. Okay, we're still having a little bit of issue here. If you check our initial original work, this is actually positioned here, and I'll have to pause this video and do something about that now. Alright guys, I think I found a little culprit, the little bug here, or should I say the little culprit here. In my first project, this is not left, this is right. That is why I believe that our, yeah, here it is, that our counter shifted to the left instead of the right. Okay, with that one out of the way, let's proceed. The next styling we're gonna add now is gonna be on the menu. We might just let's see what we got here. After counter, we got the anchor tag, blah blah blah. It's gonna be the menu. So I might just copy the whole of this and then come down here, remove cat image menu. Oh, we just need to let's got this stuff here. Width is gonna be 35 pixel. Height is gonna be 35 pixel. Am I sure? Yeah. Padding is gonna be 0 pixel and 5 pixel left and right. ML margin left, we just say 5 pixel. Okay, I'll just leave the display active since we're not going to be using it or anything. Our next one is going to be, let me copy just from here, Ctrl C, come down here, Ctrl V, and okay, that's basically for the hover effect. We have a background color of RGB with the alpha channel. Okay, it's gonna be 255, 255, 255. The channel is gonna be 0.178. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Perfecto. Okay, that one's something. Okay, there is something that should have been up, and that is up before the hover. Should have been the image. Ctrl C. It's gonna be the image tag. All we just need here is just the width and height, which are gonna be width and height, which is gonna be 100% each. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, perfect. We're done with our header. Okay, let's move down now to the section. I'm just gonna put a comment here to indicate this is our section. And now let's go to our HTML and see what we got here. What we're just gonna do is handle this. Okay, yeah, handle this search box here. Handle this search box. Okay, let's get on with that. So main container, the class of section. Background color is gonna be white. Width is gonna be 100% of its parent. It's gonna be for the search box. And the width is gonna be 100%. I think we can copy the whole of this. For the search box, I get a search div. Not search div. Width is gonna be auto. Margin auto. Display is gonna be flex. JC justified content is gonna be center as well. Center. Then align items will be the center. With the margin or the padding is gonna be 10 pixel and 0 pixel. Alright. Okay. Let's deal with the search, the class of search. We'll just duplicate this. Just remove the content so we don't get. Okay, background color is gonna be RGB with the alpha channel. Zero, 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 and 0.103. That look funny. Okay, the color is gonna be black, of course. And the width is gonna be 300 pixel. The border is gonna be none. Outline is gonna be none. Guys, I don't want this stuff you get whenever you are in here. I don't want that. Padding is gonna be 8 pixel, top and bottom, and 20 pixel. These are gonna be aligned to center. Border radius is gonna be 4 pixel, and font size is gonna be 20 pixel. Then the font family is gonna be doses. Let's see what we got. Wow, not bad. Okay, now let's move on to the button, the BTN. And if you notice, I didn't add other classes before the BTN class because it was kind of the last minute solution. Sorry, a last minute option that I had to add. That's why it's standing all alone like that, like a pariah button. Position is gonna be absolute. The top is gonna be 100. We're gonna be left is gonna be 1040 pixel. And mind you, this web page does not have is not responsive. I just want to just focus on the single page. It's not responsive, so you can add these other features yourself later. Background color is gonna be a different kind of that cool orange color, and the box shadow is gonna be 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 9 pixel, and the color is gonna be the shadow color. It's gonna be 3A, 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 A2. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's not okay. It's not showing that. Am I okay? Okay. Yeah, here it is. Looking all weird. And then the width is gonna be 35 pixel, and the height is gonna be same 35 pixel. Font weight is gonna be bold. Text align is gonna be centered. Border radius 50 pixel. Border is gonna be none. Outline none. And display, let's just leave display on for now. Let's see what we got anyway. Okay, we got this here. Alright, let's proceed. Okay, let's put a hover effect for our button. Background color is gonna be black. Color is gonna be this one here. Transform. No, we'll do that with okay. Yeah. Transform. It's gonna be scale 1.1. Just increase the size by 1.1. Transition. Let all that happen within 0.3 seconds. Alright, let's see. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Next, we're going to start with the section holder. We're getting closer to finishing. Main container, section, section holder. Width, we're gonna get that 70%. And we're gonna make the margin to be auto. Let it be centered. Alright. I think I'll have to copy this. Come over here and well, let's see what we got here first. Okay. That is it, the whole items. Alright, not looking that too good, but we'll deal with that in a moment. Okay, within the section holder, we're gonna have this section container. Okay, the width is gonna be 100%. Let's take a look at this again. Okay, shaping's up a bit better. Alright, the margin is gonna be auto, yeah. Background color is going to be white. Height is going to be auto. Display is going to be grid. Grid gap is going to be 30 pixel. Let's see what we got here. Okay. we're going to specify gtc grid template columns, and then you have to remove the space here. This gave me a very tough time the first time I left that space. Let's see what we got. Whoa, where are we? This isn't looking like what we got in mind. Section header, let's see what we got here. Let me pause the video and see if I can rectify it. You know what? Let's go back to the HTML and give these items their proper names, because right now everything is the airport. Okay, the second item in the list is iWatch 3 PNG, and it goes by the name of iWatch. Price is gonna be $2.14. By the way, this is another the actual prices. Just something for learning purpose. The next item is gonna be what? Kevlar vest. Price is going to be $108. $108.24. Next item is going to be headphones. Headphones to PNG. Headphone, okay, the price is gonna be $52.40. Next ones are gonna be Nike sneakers. Okay, yeah, I think that is it. PNG. Am I sure? No, there's a mistake somewhere here. Should be small letter, lowercase rather. Okay, this is gonna be Nike sneaker. So far, let's see what we got here. Whoa. CSS is not reflecting. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, seems like we didn't do for the second item in the list. Yep, we didn't. So we're gonna call that one. Let's just call it sports hand glove. And by the way, what we got here is HNAD gloves. That was a mistake, but let's just roll with it. You can rename it and call it hand glove just for consistency. And we're gonna call it sports hand gloves. Okay, let's come down here. We didn't actually assign price. Price should be 46. Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We'll add here iWatch 4. And I'm gonna call it iWatch Dark City. I just think the name sounds cool. Dark City, like some kind of a theme. 406.30. Okay, I think that's just the last one. And we still got some kind of hanging airport here. Okay, which other item have I not touched here? Horizon Gaming Mouse. That will be probably the last one. Horizon Mouse PNG. Horizon Gaming Mouse. Price is gonna be 46. Let's all go here. Okay. So far, so good. And let's get back to our CSS and see what is wrong here. Okay, this is section holder. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna call it section. Sorry, we are taking the section container. I'm not really giving it any new name. Background color is gonna be white. Box size and border box. Width 100%. Excuse me. Height. It's gonna be auto. Margin. Outer. Display. Grid. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Grid gap. 30 pixel. And the grid template columns. 3. 1 FR. Now let's see what that gives us. We still got the same error here. 2E. Okay, let's keep going. We'll see where the problem is coming from later. Okay. I'll have to copy the whole of this one here. Product container. I'm set the background to white. Width 240 pixel. Height 240 pixel. Display flex direction, column, justify content, space between, border radius 10 pixel, padding button 10 pixel, margin button 20 pixel. Let's see what that gives us. Wow, we still got ourselves a problem here. Let's see. Okay guys, I think I found a little bug here. Product container is actually encompassing the image, the product images. So whoa, there's a lot of mistakes we made here. So I'm gonna have to add a div to wrap the image in, which is product image container. And I'm gonna have to bring this down, then take this up, alternate up arrow. Okay, with that done, let's see what we got here. Okay, still similar problem. All right, we have to cut this out from here. Where does this end? This section contain wall. I have to cut this out from here. Put the container, cut it out from here, and put it somewhere. I think. Yeah, that should be it, I guess. I'm gonna do the same for, let's see, be sure this actually worked. Let's start this. Okay. Okay, that's consistent with my previous project, and product container ends somewhere. Product action price. Okay. Now let me make the corrections. You can code along. Okay, I think I've handled most of the bad stuff. Let's continue. .main container .section section holder let's see what we got here. Section container. Background color. Box sizing, border box. Okay. Width. Height. Auto. Margin. Display. Grid. Grid gap. 30 pixel. Let's see what we got. Okay, still looking. Section container. For product container. Okay. Grid template columns. 3 1FR. Okay. Alright. I think we got it figured out. Padding is gonna be 30 pixel. 40 pixel. Let me copy this. Okay, product container is going to be the next class to be styled. Background white. Width of 240 pixel. Height of 240 pixel. Box shadow 0 pixel, 1 pixel, 20 pixels, and the color is gonna be, I think we got it here. Display is gonna be flex. Flex direction is gonna be column. Justify content to space between, border radius 10 pixels, padding bottom 10 pixels, margin bottom 20 pixels. Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's copy this. Paste it down here. I think I'll go here and add it. Let's see, product image container. Okay, which is gonna be 100%. I think height is gonna be 140 pixel. Border radius is gonna be 10 pixel. Display is gonna be flex. Flex direction is gonna be row. Justify content, it's gonna be center. Align items excuse me, it's gonna be center. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, not bad. Okay, now we're gonna deal with image right now. Let's duplicate this. Image width is gonna be auto. And height is gonna be 100%. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Guys, I'm trying to be rushing here. Let's see how we can limit this between 1.5 hours. Pixel. Alright, we're gonna copy this. Oh man, I've got a whole lot of them. I think we're gonna be dealing with product name now. Font family. It's gonna be doses. Font weight 500, which is medium. Font size 22 pixels. Padding bottom 10 pixel. Margin, not this. Margin 0 pixel top and bottom, 10 pixels. I was still gonna have margin bottom, which will be 10 pixels. And border bottom 1.5. Let's go to 1.5. But the color is gonna be some kind of gray. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, not bad. Let's see product action price. Box sizing. Butter box with 100% display. Flex direction. Row justify content. Center. Align items. Center. Alright. That's looking a bit weird. Let's continue. Next one is going to be cut view. Let's just duplicate this. You know what? They're basically almost the same thing. So I will just remove this and this and make this a class of cut view. Okay, display flex direction row, then margin left to be 10 pixel. Let's see what we got. Good. Let's duplicate this. Okay. Gonna remove this. We don't need it. Then here we're gonna say select all the divs that are the direct descendants of cut view and make the margin 3 pixel. Alright. Let's do the add cut. Control V. Add. Cut. Anchor. Background color. It's gonna be this one, and the color is gonna be black. Font family. It's gonna be Sego. Sego UI. Font size 15 pixel. And border radius 3 pixel. TD text decoration none. Six pixel top and bottom and 10 pixel. Alright. Now we need to add hover effect for this. We'll remove the whole of this, I think. I'm gonna make the background color RGB with the alpha channel. Yeah, that is it. Let's see what we got here. This one is sorted out. Let's move to the next one. I'm basically gonna copy and I'm gonna duplicate this lot here because they're almost the same thing. Add cut is the other one. This one is gonna be view. Background color is gonna be black. Text color is gonna be white, and I think everything is still remains the same. All right, let's make for the hover. So it's gonna be here 255. Sorry, that will be 0, not 255. 00. The alpha channel is gonna be 11.11. Wow, that is not registering. That's because I did not change this to view. Alright. This is gonna be the price. Okay, I think I didn't put color here. Color should be 444. Yeah. Okay. Product container action price. Wow. I think I omitted something here. And I sincerely don't want that stuff to start screwing up here. I think I have to go fix it. Action price. I omitted the action price class. Okay, I think we're done with this. This is gonna be price. Let me duplicate this. Oh boy. Okay. That's going to be doses. Color is going to be black. Font size 23 pixel. Font weight 450. Box sizing, border box, margin right 10 pixel. Okay, wow. Let's deal with the span. Guys, I'm beginning to rush here. I'm trying to make sure that this stuff is, I just keep it within a reasonable amount of time, reasonable record time. So it won't be a long video for you to watch, and yet a huge data size, file size to download, if you want to download it. Okay, now the pagination, I'm gonna just have to copy it and paste. Okay, I've pasted the the pagination and the footer as well. Let's see what we got here. Wow, I think whoa. let's just correct this here. Well, okay, let's go to HTML. Okay, I think we've done it. We are through. Okay, in the JavaScript section, I'm going to make this display to be none. If you watched this video to the end, I want to say thank you. And I really appreciate it, you bringing out your time to check the content. If you have not hit the subscription button, please do so. And also like the video. And if there is any comment you want to drop for me on this comment section below, please go ahead. Any way you think I can improve the video, please let me know. I will appreciate that. And I really hope that the video inspired you to learn something new. Or maybe there's a project you're working on and the content in the video kind of give you an idea of something. Also let me know. Bye for now. See you in the next video.